The term authentic, I believe, can be thought of using in two ways or two connotations of the term. The most common connotation is the one in which I've been using, and I think we tend to think about it, is we present students with situations or tasks or opportunities that reflect, quote, real world application. So how do people outside of school use knowledge and skills? And those are authentic situations. But here's a second connotation that I think is equally worthy and worth attending to as much as possible. And that is trying to connect the tasks to the interests and experiences of the learners we serve. And to me, the best tasks, connect those two dimensions of authenticity. It's not always possible given the content we teach, but it's a worthy endeavor. And the two are not always conjoined. I have seen authentic tasks that are so far from kids' interests or experiences that they're not engaged by the task. But the best tasks engage students with realistic applications of learning.